Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find exported videos on CapCut PC. So I will just select this video right here and I want to export it. Oh, never mind. I need to fix that. Anyways, let's just export this video. So this is where your videos will be exported to. If you want to, you can change it. So I will change it to this folder right here and then I'll select folder. So you're just going to basically select the path and just copy it. And then when you press export, I've already exported it, you're going to see it there. So I'm already in this folder, but if you're not in this folder, you're just going to paste it and you're going to be taken to that folder, if that makes sense. But that is pretty much it, really. It's that simple. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.